Hi, welcome to my digital video class. In this class, let us see NF and NP orgel or correlation diagram for DN electronic configurations of transitional metal complexes. Left hand side and right hand side of the NF and NP orgel diagram, microterms, dimensions of these microterms. Here vertical line is increasing in energy, horizontal line is ligand field strength increasing in both sides. Electronic configurations with tetrahedral or octahedral, ligand field strength in dq or centimeter inverse. Let us see the ground energy term NF term splits into 3 microterms. NP term splits into only one microterm, that is NT1GP. Here also NT1GP. NF term 3 microterms. In Orkel diagrams, two similar spectroscopic terms get repelled or diverge each other. Examples are NT1GP and NT1GF. You see here NT1GP and NT1GF, they are similar spectroscopic terms. NT1G, this is arising from F term, this is arising from P term. The repulsion between similar spectroscopic terms here denoted with X. X is the extent of repulsions between similar spectroscopic terms. Here 15B dash is the term separation energy between ground energy and higher energy term NF and NP. In Orkel diagrams, two different spectroscopic terms get crossed over each other. Examples Na2G and Nt2G. You see here Na2G, Nt1G, this is arising from a P term. They are different spectroscopic terms, they get crossed over each other. Then you can see the electronic transitions, left hand side and right hand side electronic transitions for the NF and NP Orkel diagram. From the ground energy, let us see the electronic configurations D2 and D7, D2 and D7, here tetrahedral, here octahedral, D3 and D8, D3 and D8, here it is octahedral and here it is tetrahedral. You can observe number of microterms 3 from NF term. The overall energy, splitting energy of these 3 microterms is 0. You can calculate also. For Na2G 12dq into 1, here Nt2G 2dq into 3 plus 6 plus 12. Total is plus 18 dq. Here for Nt1GF minus 6 dq into 3 minus 18. Minus 18 and this is plus 18. Overall is 0. Here also you can calculate plus 6 into 3 plus 18 minus 2 into 3 minus 6 minus 12 into 1 minus 12 minus 6 minus 18 and here is plus 18. Overall is 0. You can see the electronic transitions depiction nu1, nu2, nu3. Here also nu1, nu2 and nu3. Nu3 is greater than nu2, nu2 is greater than nu1. Here also nu3 is greater than nu2 and which is greater than nu1. Here also nu1 is from the ground energy Na2G to the next higher energy Nt2G, or if it is nu2 Nt1GF, if it is nu3 to Nt1GP. For this is for left hand side NF and NP Orkel diagram. For right hand side NF and NP Orkel diagram, the ground energy is Nt1GF, Nt1GF. If it is nu1, ground energy to Nt2G, nu2 ground energy to NT1GP. For nu3, ground energy to Na2G. These are electronic transitions. The horizontal line is energy line 0. In the next classes, we will see transitional metal complexes with examples also, and we will write NF and NP Oracle diagrams separately. Thank you.